We're going to look at reflecting, actually rotating a object around a point that's on the object. So we've got this equilateral triangle. This side and this side are equal. This is a little bit longer here. I'm going to select reflect, rotate around a point. I'm actually going to click on the object and then the point. I'm going to rotate this first 90 degrees counterclockwise, and then I'm going to rotate the same object 90 degrees clockwise. And you can see that in one case the image ends up here, and in the other case the image ends up here. So here's our original object. I'll write that in. So this is our object right here. And here's our first image. So I'll write that down here. And our second image. Right, now you can see that the areas of these images are the same as the object. What is interesting, what would be interesting to see is what is the angle that is made between here, here, and here. So this is the point. This point here is called the point of rotation. And the angle of rotation was 90 degrees. So here's our point of rotation. All the image points for that stayed there. That's called an invariant point. Now, if I draw a line, or if I take this angle tool, go C, C dash, you can see that that's equal to 90 degrees. And that's because this point has been rotated 90 degrees from C to C dash, about this point here. If I did the same for B and B dash, so if I click on the angle and go B, B dash, actually undo that, go the other way, B, A and B dash, you can see that that's also 90 degrees. And if I did the same for C and for A, well, that would just stay there. Now if I go the other way, we should get 90 degrees there. So if I go B, and if I did the same between C and C dash, we'd get the same. So every point in this triangle has been rotated 90 degrees around this point in a counterclockwise direction. So C comes 90 degrees to here, B goes 90 degrees to there, and A stays where it is. In this case, clockwise, B goes 90 degrees to here, and C goes 90 degrees to there. The size of the objects and images are the same. It's just that every point either goes clockwise or counterclockwise.